Guys, today we are going to know about critical zone or red zone temperature. Might be you hear that term, especially if you are working in kitchen as a commis first, second, third or senior level. Obviously, I am damn sure that you are familiar with that term. The temperature from 4 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius is very vital. If you keep any food in between that temperature I mentioned you, the growth of bacteria will be maximum in this temperature. So if you keep any food, especially cooked food, any sauce, any chicken cooked or meat cooked, if you keep in that temperature zone, then growth of bacteria will be very fast. They will multiply rapidly. So try to avoid storing any food, especially cooked food, in between that range temperature I already mentioned you. Guys, this temperature zone is known as critical zone or red zone temperature. Try to avoid that temperature to store any kind of food as possible as you can. Another point that is also very important, that you can store any kinds of dry spices, masalas or different kinds of dry nuts like cashew nut, pistachio, almond, walnuts. All these things you can store in that ambient temperature. There is no issues with that. But especially cooked food which has moisture, which has protein more, all these things try to avoid to store in that temperature I mentioned you. You got it right?